Today's color review is going to be an accent color. It's dark, it's powerful, and if you know how to use it correctly, it can enhance any part of your home. Right here is Wrought Iron by Benjamin Moore. I'm going to show you a couple color comparisons so that you can get a better idea of what this paint color really looks like. Also, I'm going to show you two examples on how you can use this paint color for both the interior and the exterior of your home, and I'm going to give you 3 valuable tips that you should know. The #1 most popular paint color in North America are white paint colors, and the #2 most popular paint colors are neutrals, and the 3rd most popular paint colors are colors. Colors are powerful because they invoke a feeling or a response that you want people to feel every time they step foot in your home. So having said that, how do you want to feel? So let's take a closer look at Wrought Iron. Right here is Wrought Iron by Benjamin Moore. Now, all by itself, it looks black, but in reality, that couldn't be further from the truth. Instead, we need to compare this with other paint colors to get a better idea of what this really looks like. So watch this. When I compare this with Hell Navy by Benjamin Moore, notice what just happened. It does look like a dark black, but there's a little bit of a dark blue undertone to it. But watch what happens when I compare it with Carbon Copy by Benjamin Moore. It just revealed itself. It's a dark gray. It's got depth to it. It's an absolutely beautiful accent color. So now that you have a better idea of what this paint color looks like, next I want to give you 2 examples of how you can use this paint color in both the interior and exterior of your home. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. I give you valuable information just like you're seeing right here in this video. There's so many different ways that you can use this paint color, and I've had the privilege to work with this color in many different applications all across North America. So having said that, I'm going to show you one example of how to use it in both the interior and the exterior of your home. Let's take a quick look at this kitchen. Notice how the kitchen island is the same color as the kitchen cabinets. Well, I know the undertones of the kitchen countertop, backsplash, cabinet colors, and other fixed elements is the perfect match to have wrought iron as an accent color for this kitchen island. As you can see, it has a nice pop of color, it's sophisticated, it's bold, yet balanced. Now, let's look at this front door entrance. Notice the color of this front door. There's nothing wrong with it, but it could be better. Watch what happens when it's painted with wrought iron. You can feel the sophistication of this home. It sets the expectation of what's to come before you open the door. And notice how it complements the black trim windows and the beautiful contrast of the bronze light fixtures. There's so many possibilities with this paint color, but like I always say, it's important to compare it with both your fixed and furnished elements that you may have in your space. If you don't do this right, then it can end up being a costly mistake, and I don't want that to happen to you. Tip #1, an accent wall should be a featured wall. In other words, it should be the wall that someone sees the moment they start walking into your room. Now, can this rule be broken? Any rule can be broken as long as you know what you're doing. Tip #2, if you have a small bathroom, having an accent wall can create space and depth. Tip #3, an accent color doesn't have to be an accent wall. Instead, you can use built-in cabinets, kitchen islands, sliding barn doors, just to name a few. The possibilities are unlimited, and I can personally tell you that wrought iron can instantly transform any space that you may have in your home, hands down. Wrought iron is a powerful paint color. It can make any space feel sophisticated, elegant, bold, yet refined. You can't go wrong with this paint color as long as you know what you're doing. So, what do you think of wrought iron? Or do you have any experiences that you would like to share concerning bold paint colors? I would love to know in the comment section down below. And by the way, if you need help on finding the perfect paint color and you want it professionally done, then feel free to check out the link in the description section down below. I show you how I can help you with any of my online packages, regardless where you live in North America. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.